Let's start first and start from the ITAM end. So when you're approaching on kind of how to optimize a piece of software, and this really holds true with any piece of commercial software out there from the major providers, what we're seeing here with that group is more and more of them are making those software entitlements transient in nature or flexible in terms of the different venue you can use that specific entitlement. So it's not just a server in your data center. It also could very well be an instance on Amazon or Azure or GCP. Because of that, it's ever more critical that you understand within that commercial software entitlement what specific use rights you have with that entitlement. Those use rights are going to dictate where you can use that piece of software and how you can use that piece of software. And those use rights can get really complex very quickly. So here's just a simple example of an Oracle database piece of commercial software and showing the difference when you use Flexera and the normalization and enrichment process we have around optimizing that versus without Flexera. So in one case, you have 100 cores of Oracle DB is being ingested into our automation process. And we're understanding that you have this as part of a bundled offering, so therefore you need to unbundle, and there's some licensing implications there. There are specific rights based on what venue around virtualization that you're using it in. And then also, we understand the use rights around is it production or non-prod. And those are just three very simple examples. But the point here is that out of 100 cores of Oracle DB, you actually are only licensing based on how you're using it, 50, and paying about 1.07 million for that. If you look at without Flexera, that 100 is coming out as that same 100 that went in, and the cost there is 2.14 million. So highly consequential.